In 2019, researchers managed to detect earthquakes that occur in California using an innovative instrument placed inside a balloon. With the discovery of this innovation, researchers will detect earthquakes on Venus. This is due to the earthquake that occurred on Earth can be used as material for the study of other planets, such as formation, depth, and interior surface. However, earthquakes on Venus will be more difficult to detect as there is no lander capable of operating for more than 2 hours, so the detection should be carried out in a less hazardous area. In addition, the planet Earth has a ground-based surface generally rocky with the soil network of seismometers spatial, while it differs from the planet Venus' environmental conditions needed to detect new ones. When researchers measure earthquakes on the Moon and Mars, they use seismometers and include a very precise detector. However, it cannot be done, so the detection is done by designing a sensor system that can identify an earthquake in the form of a balloon laden with a barometer as an instrument measure the atmospheric pressure. The experiment was successfully carried out in July 2019 when an earthquake rocked California by detecting the aftershock that would allow to see the height of the balloon. The balloons used are heliotrope balloons, each of which is equipped with a device to track movement and super-sensitive barometer to measure air pressure. This was done to detect low-frequency sound waves that appear due to aftershock. But the biggest challenge is that low-strength earthquakes don't produce strong sound waves in the atmosphere. In addition, noise also adds to the complexity of the data generated. Even the balloons themselves generate noise. But on July 22, tortoise got a strong enough rate on peak event to match ground-based detection, even though the balloon was nearly 78 km away from the aftershock epicenter and 5 km above Earth's surface at the time. Waves detected in California are very strongly correlated with nearby ground stations. When compared with data modeling, scientists have heard the earthquake. The researchers want to continue to develop earthquake detection balloons so that they can observe earthquakes in different atmospheres and add a barometer component hence the location of the earthquake can be known. And the researchers say there is also lots of modeling to be done to understand how the technique might work on Venus quakes.